Hello class! Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa prime and composite numbers. So, aalamin natin kung ang number ba ay prime o composite. Bago yan, kailangan muna natin malaman kung ano ang factors. Okay, factors, ito ay ang mga number na kayang hatiin ang isang number ng eksakto at walang remainder. So, yun yung mga factors. Okay, let us have an example. Number 6. Think of a number that can divide 6. Ano bang pwedeng mag-divide sa 6? Ng eksakto. Okay, ito ay number 3. Because if you divide 6 by 3, you will have 2. Ganun din, if you divide 6 by 2, you will have an answer of 3. Meaning 3 and 2 is a factor of 6. Meron pa ba kayong ibang naiisip na pwedeng mag-divide sa 6? Okay, pwede rin ang 1. 6 divided by 1, we have 6. And also 6 divided by 6, 1. So kung mapapansin nyo, these numbers are whole numbers. Meron pa ba kayong ibang naiisip na pwede pang mag-divide sa 6 ng sakto? What if i-divide natin siya sa 4? Mahati ba natin ang 6 sa 4 with equal parts? Okay, hindi. Kasi, if you, pwede mo siyang i-divide ang 6 sa 4, pero hindi mo makukuha yung eksaktong bilang lamang. Magkakaroon siya ng ng remainder. Dahil 6 divided by 4 will give us an answer of 1.5. So, ibig sabihin, hindi factor ng 6 ang 4. That only have 4 factors. Those are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, let us proceed with composite number. Composite number are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga numbers na meron siyang mahigit sa 2 factors. Example of which is, yung example natin kanina, 6. 6 have 4 factors. So, 6 is an example of composite number. Let us have another one. 40. You can also find the factor of a number if you think of a number, if you think of 2 numbers that when you multiply those numbers, the answer will be 40. So, 2 times 20 is 40, meaning 2 and 20 are factors of 40. Another one, 4 times 10 is equals to 40. 1 times 40 is equals to 40. And 5 times 8 is equals also to 40. Meron pa ba kayong ibang naiisip na factor or dalawang number na pag pinag-multiply mo 40 ang sagot? Okay, so wala na. So, meron lang tayong 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40 na factors. All in all, we have 8 factors. So, 40 is considered as composite number because 8 is more than 2. Another one. How about 11? Ano yung number na pwedeng mag-divide sa 11? Or mag-isip kayo ng dalawang number na pag pinag-multiply nyo 11 ang sagot. Okay, very good. 1 times 11 or 11 times 1. Pareho lang yun. Because if you divide 11 by 1, you will have 11 as an answer. And 11 divided by 11 is also, you can also get the answer as 1. Meron pa bang pwedeng mag-divide sa kanya? What if number 2? Okay. 2 times 5.5, we will have 11. But again, sa rule, dapat ang factors ay eksakto na whole number without remainder. So, ibig sabihin, 2 is not a factor of 11. Kung wala na kayong naiisip pa na ibang factors, ibig sabihin, ang factors lang ng 11 ay 1 at yung sarili niya, 11. So, we only have exactly 2 factors. So, we call these numbers as prime number. Prime number ay meron lang siyang eksaktong dalawang factor, 1 at yung sarili niya. Just like on our example, 11, it only has 2 factors, 1 and 11. So, as a summary, prime numbers are numbers that have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself, and composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Question: is 1 a prime or composite number? Diba sabi nga sa prime, eksaktong dalawa. Sa composite naman, kailangan mas mataas or mas marami sa dalawa. Since 1 is not applicable on the condition given by the prime or composite number, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Hindi siya prime, hindi siya composite. Okay, so that would be all for today. God bless.